What's up, my YouTube? Here with Skipper Drones. I got some footage. I took it out today to crank it up. But I got some bad news for you guys. I know y'all was anxious to see her in the water, but this motor is just not going to work. It's knocking real bad, hard to crank. I believe the heads and everything in here is warped and gone. I got some footage on me trying to crank it up, so you will see that, you guys. But I apologize. But best believe it's not over. I got to save up some money, and then I'm gonna order a new motor. And also, when she started up, the drive shaft on the prop snapped. So I'm gonna have to get a new one of these. But hey, we're gonna get it together. And like I said, I have apologized for the wait. I tried to get out there for today and just let y'all hear how she sound. I mean, she didn't sound too bad, but that's a knock in that motor. It's not. I know something wrong, something really wrong. So I'm going to purchase a new motor when I save up for it, and just give me a little bit longer, and you will see her. So I think I'm going to upgrade to a 30cc while I'm doing it. I'm just going to go and grab a 30cc Zenoa. It looked pretty nice. So, you know, I save the parts over here, and maybe, ain't no telling, I might continue to work on this, man. And because I did a lot of work on this already, especially to the motor. So, I don't know. I might keep this motor and keep working on it, but I am about to order a new one. Just as soon as I save up, she will be on the water. So hopefully, if everything go alright, I estimate in the next month I should be able to save up for the motor. So you guys bear with me. Skipper Drones, and I'm gonna have some footage of me cranking her up so you can hear her sound. But like I said, the motor is ticking real bad, so I guess the guy must have overheated the motor from the beginning, because the heads is something knocking where the heads are. So check out the footage and enjoy. Like I said, I apologize again. I still have to choose a name, so I got all that still. And those who are new to my channel, you guys can still help me choose a name for. Like I said, I will let y'all know the name soon as the first maiden sale. So the first maiden sale, I will name her. I still got names from the other two videos. So like I said, it's still not too late if you haven't helped me pick out a name yet. So leave a name in the comment below that you think I should name her, and give me a little bit longer on her. I guarantee you she's going to hit the water soon. So we're going to get a new motor and a new prop shaft. That's snapped also. So that, well, it was a good thing that it happened now, not on the water. So you guys, I'm Skipper Drones, and I'm out. Don't forget to hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. That helps me out a great deal. And I will get back with you guys. Just check out the footage, and see you later on the next video. Skipper Drones, and I'm out. Hello, my YouTube. Excuse me, no. God damn. What's up, my YouTubers? You're here with Skipper Drones. And I was going to try to crank the motor today and let y'all hear how she sounds. But it seems like it might be bad news, YouTube. Bad news for now. I know everybody was excited to see her on the water, but you just don't know. I was so excited myself. But she's still gonna get on the, the water. As they say, small thing to a giant. That's all. I rebuilt this motor, but I think the motor is completely gone. I don't know. I hear something like I don't know, it's like a scrubbing sound. think, man, the heads just might be over with in this. It might be just that. So, don't get upset, you guys. It's coming. I think what I'm gonna do is just order a whole brand new motor. But I done did a lot of work to this motor, so this might be the one that I play with. Just get a new headset. You know, it's a 26cc. You might try to make it out to be a 55cc top end. Power, I say power. But yeah, I'm gonna let you guys hear it. I'm trying to give her a couple cranks again. Got gas coming up. Got gas coming up. See? She acts like she wants to. Nothing. We're not getting anything. Nothing. I got my spark tester here. See if we get a spark. Hard to see, but it don't look like it might begin. But it ain't. I don't know. Might not be. Sure it's blood, bro. felt it. Haha, I felt it. I'm getting sparked. See. I just felt it.